Hi everybody, Julie here with Northern Waters Cleansing Co. And today's video is for the Beneath the Stars fragranced cold process soap that I made. And this was a super fun one to make. I'd been dreaming about it for a while. I would say that the cut didn't really turn out the way I had hoped it would, and I think ultimately the cut bars are going to really benefit from some planing. I use a recipe where I do get a lot of soda ash, and you know, there seems to be some differing opinions about where that comes from. You know, whether it's actually the recipe that you've used, whether it is environmental factors, whether it's something else completely. You know, I don't know. I just know that my recipe does ash quite a bit. And so for this particular soap, I did a lot of spraying of rubbing alcohol to try and sort of cut down on that ash. And it did. I sprayed it like multiple times over about a 4-hour period. And I definitely noticed a reduction in the soda ash that I get on this soap. So anyways, I hope they stick around and check out how I made the Beneath the Stars soap with lots of activated charcoal and some piping. And I mentioned it on my last video about doing some cold process embeds. Super fun technique that I will be using a lot. And so I used it again for this soap. And I hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.